Welcome to Auto Extreme Hub, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cars, bikes, and everything auto. If you love speed, innovation, and futuristic designs, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting updates. Tesla has officially unveiled the next generation 2025 Model Y, and it comes with major upgrades in design, performance, and technology. This all-electric SUV is now more efficient, stylish, and powerful than ever before. The 2025 Model Y features a refreshed exterior with a more aerodynamic design. New LED headlights, a redesigned front bumper, and sleek alloy wheels improve both aesthetics and efficiency. Tesla has also worked on reducing drag, which helps increase range and overall performance. Inside, the Model Y gets a premium upgrade. The minimalist dashboard now features a high-resolution 17-inch touchscreen with a faster processor and a new user interface. The seats are redesigned for better comfort, offering more cushioning and optional ventilation. Tesla has also introduced ambient lighting, allowing users to personalize their driving experience. When it comes to performance, Tesla has taken things to the next level. The base Model Y offers a range of approximately 330 miles, while the long-range version extends it to around 370 miles. The performance model can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. The new battery technology also allows ultra-fast charging, reaching 80% in under 20 minutes with a Tesla supercharger. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features have also been upgraded. Improved sensors and AI-powered navigation make highway driving safer, while enhanced lane keeping and automatic parking features add to convenience. Now let's talk about pricing. The base Model Y starts at approximately $47,000, while the long-range version is priced around $52,000. The top-tier performance model costs about $58,000. Depending on your location, government incentives and tax credits may lower the cost even further. The 2025 Tesla Model Y is a game changer, offering better performance, advanced technology, and a futuristic design. What do you think about Tesla's latest innovation? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Extreme Hub for more exciting auto updates. See you in the next video.